You'll likely find yourself building the same few steps over and over in your chatbot, such as maybe a goodbye message that shares some helpful resources, or perhaps a midpoint flow that looks up the customer's information. In these cases, it's helpful to create some saved flows that you can quickly insert anywhere in the chatbot, much like a pre written message template that's ready to go. To create a saved flow, click on Saved Flows. You'll see I have a saved flow already. Click the plus button to start a new one, give it a name, and build out that flow in a dedicated Saved Flows window, which I'll show you in just a second. To edit a flow, click again that Saved Flows button and choose the flow you want to edit. Then you'll edit here. This is the editor window I was just referring to where you can build your saved flows. Now, anytime you update a flow, they'll be updated everywhere that the bot is using this flow. So to use the saved flow, click on a plus button in your chatbot workflow and choose Saved Flow. You'll then select the flow you want to insert, and you'll see that this one step now contains all the steps within that saved flow, saving you so much time.